Let me ask you something most men never hear until it's too late. What if you could wake up tomorrow and feel no urgency, no late-night trips to the bathroom, no discomfort down below? Most prostate issues don't happen because your body fails. They happen because no one ever taught you how to care for it. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and today I'll show you 3 simple daily habits that can calm, protect, and strengthen your prostate naturally without pills or procedures. The hydration habit: water as medicine. After 60, your kidneys filter less efficiently and your bladder becomes more reactive. It's not just about drinking water. It's about when and how you drink it. Hydrate steadily during the day, taper off after sunset. Avoid gulping large amounts in the evening, which irritate the bladder and prostate. Start mornings with warm water, sip through the day, and stop 2 hours before bed. This rhythm keeps urine gentle, inflammation low, and sleep uninterrupted. The science behind poor hydration: when hydration is inconsistent, your urine becomes acidic and concentrated. That acidity irritates the bladder and prostate, creating urgency and night awakenings. Over time, poor sleep and chronic irritation wear down your energy and confidence. Gentle, consistent hydration soothes your urinary tract like cool rain calming dry soil. It restores balance and helps your prostate breathe again. Daily pelvic mobility: the forgotten exercise. Your prostate sits deep in the pelvis, surrounded by muscles, vessels, and nerves. Long hours of sitting create stagnation that traps fluid and tension. Simple movement restores flow. Walk after meals, roll your hips gently, lift knees while brushing your teeth, or do slow pelvic floor contractions for 5 minutes. These light actions stimulate circulation, reduce swelling, and reawaken your core stability. Movement keeps the prostate alive. How movement protects your prostate: when you move, you're not just stretching muscles, you're massaging your internal organs. Every gentle shift of your hips helps drain lymph fluid and send fresh oxygenated blood to your prostate. Think of it as unclogging a quiet traffic jam deep inside your body. A moving body equals a calm bladder, reduced inflammation, and better urinary control. Even a short walk can start that healing cascade. The fiber connection: heal your gut, help your prostate. Few men realize that constipation directly affects prostate health. When stool builds up, it presses against the prostate, causing swelling and irritation. Add natural fiber oats, chia seeds, vegetables, apples, pears, to keep your bowels soft and regular. Every easy bowel movement is a relief not just for your gut, but for your prostate too. A clear colon means a calm, unpressured prostate. Gut health and inflammation: when your digestion slows, your gut bacteria shift toward inflammation. That inflammation travels, affecting your joints, heart, and yes, your prostate. By nourishing your gut with real unprocessed foods, you quiet systemic inflammation and let your prostate rest. The gut and prostate are silent partners. Keep one healthy and the other follows. Feed your body warmth and balance. The power of small daily acts: the key isn't perfection, it's presence. When you hydrate with rhythm, move with intention, and feed your gut with care, your prostate stays calm, supported, and strong. These are not medical miracles. They are small acts of wisdom that tell your body, "I'm listening." Over weeks, your sleep deepens, urgency fades, and comfort returns. Your body is designed to heal. Just give it consistency. If this message resonated, take it as a sign to start today. Hydrate early, move gently, feed your gut wisely. These habits protect not just your prostate, but your confidence and independence. If you found this valuable, subscribe to Legacy of Elders for more science-backed men's health insights. Share this video with a friend or father. It might just help them sleep through the night again.